Okay. Alright, so there it is. It's the 14-foot version of my last boat, which was 17 feet. So this is what the next build is going to look like. And I think it's going to be fun. I kind of like this shortened version. For comparison, this is a prototype of last year's boat. And I don't know how the distortion is going to change this, but you can see the new boat is a little bit wider. It's 24 inches wide instead of 23, and it's 14 foot instead of 17 foot. But very similar. But I think this one will be a lot of fun. So that's it. That's what's coming up. So hit subscribe and smash stuff and do whatever it is people do anymore. But this one's next. Later.